of the storm's smallest prayer can still be heard. I believe someone in the great somewhere hears every word. Every time I hear newborn baby cry,